we go. This could work. 950s again. It's been popping every 50 cent. I don't have a good setup. I want a setup to form. I want a gap to form that aligns with the 50 cent level. So nice little pop from 850, holding 950. So that's $1 difference, but it's every 50 cents. 850, yeah, 859, 950. So 10 right here. We'll see. Okay, so here we might get something over 1025. We're moved towards 11. Gotta be quick on this. Quick. 950 again. We want to eat a fat drop. There's the fat drop. Back to 50s. Wow, that's quick. That was quick. There was no time to think about that. Okay. So it's going to be over 10 then. Over 10, I think it's just going to start popping. So I'm going to have to take it. As soon as I see 10, I need to take that. I want to see the tape move faster. The algos move a little quicker. Well, the algos are going to trigger the tape. The level 2 will show me the price. But so far, it's popping, but there's some sellers at 10. Hopefully, it won't have a problem with 100 shares. $10.05. Yep, 10 is the level. 10 is the level for this gap and go. First 1 minute candle to make a new high. And as soon as those buyers start stepping in, keeps bouncing at 50s. If not, we're taking a dip down at 7. Maybe 850 as well. I don't know. Hard to say. So I don't think we'll get it down to 8. That would be pretty crazy to get it down to 8. Actually, this is a massive green gap, so let's see. Maybe we get it down to 850. Over 65, 70. It's going to be volatility when they turn on. When the tape starts going faster and the bids are absorbing selling, oh, it's going to be great. Need my glasses. If anything, I want to catch that double bottom at 850. Here it is. You all better pick this up. Y'all better pick this up. $88. Not yet. Just a tad lower, brother. Just a little bit lower. Come on. Okay, back to 80s. '80s helped 2 times. Okay, I want to get this down there. I want to get this down in the 50s. That's my gap right here. What's this level? 850. Risking a massive flush, so let me see if I can size down. Because if 850 could flush down to 750 in a split sec, so let me add it. Let me just take less risk. Still waiting on it. It's not as bouncy as it was before, like in these areas, right? So we're waiting for a drop and big sellers to step in, big buyers to step in, drop and big buyers to step in. It's kind of just lingering and lingering. $70, $60, $65. Okay, I'll get in there. $50, nice. Get in there at $50. It's fighting 50s. It's fighting 50s. I'm all right. I'm just chilling here. Small size. If I see like 20s, 30s, 20s, I might take it out. Could also add, but don't want to add down there. Can I just take it out? 50s was sort of the area. Good fill, 850. So now that's the top of the 5-minute gap. Don't like this. Are you gonna fail here, bro? I want to bail out on this if it's, see if it could still pick up some volume. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out in the 40s, 30s, 20s, 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 just a little lower. Out there 40. Looked like it was gonna drop a little more. Dang. Kind of miss a dip there. We'll see. We'll see if I actually missed it. Grr. Come on. All right, looks like this thing kept coming down. Wow, what a drop. Okay, fine. Looked like it was gonna bounce, right? I might take this. I was just thinking about taking this like a minute ago. It's all right. This is it's 51. So hasn't died yet, so it looks good. Maybe a dip. VWAP is 51. I'll take that 51. Bro, fill me. Fill me. It's not doing it? What's going on? 51, 51, 5, 1, 5, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 9. What? Why was there no fill there? Oh, that's so lame. I put two orders out there. 50. Whoa, that's so lame, bro. Dang, son. Ah, that's so lame. Stupid stuff, bro. I put the orders out right here, bro. No fail on both. What now? You're coming back around? Back to 52. We still get this one here, man. Is he gonna reject all the way down? That's weird. All right, I'll leave it alone. Here we go, 30 seconds into the open. Let's see if we can get a nice move here. 52 to 46. Needs to break this level 68. So I could wait till it breaks 68, or I could get in here on this dip, stop 46. Let's do it. I get stopped out here. 68. All right, it looks like it's going. What the heck is happening? Yeah, it's kind of crazy right now. Yep. It's up to 80s. I'm looking at the chart on level 2. It's like did not sync correctly there, but looks like we get a runner, pretty fast runner. LASE needs to hold. $68 was the previous level that was a red. It was a red gap, so you could make a stop there. 68. How well do you want to hold? No, it does not fold at all. Took that dip 68. Did not hold at all that level. Okay, so that level is probably not worth it. Immediately out. Okay. But it will give a bounce there. SDOT. SELX needs to get over 55 cents. SDOT could be good here. Nice dip. 55. 52. Okay, not bad. Interesting there. HUBC. Oh, HUBC going crazy now. No thanks. Back over 80s. What's it gonna be? I mean, it's running, but will it do it? Let me see. It's got momentum again. I'm gonna see if 80 is gonna hold. 90s, 89, 80s, 88. 88 keeps bouncing off 88. I'll take it there. 83, 82. Good dip there. Good dip there. Hopefully it holds 80. Stop is going to be 80. Oh my goodness. All right. The stock is not easy to trade. All right, we're going to be losing what we had this morning here if we can't connect on this thing. So we connected for a split second there, but the stock is just too volatile. All right, I'm gonna stay patient. SDOT over 88. Big buyer right there. I'll get in here. 88 is the stop. Buyer, please. Nice. 6 on the oh. Okay, now I'm red. What is going on? Nothing is working. So 3 trades right there, both of them are red. Yeah. Today might not be the day, brothers. Today might not be the day. 3 trades that I thought would definitely work. Not doing it. Might have a couple of trades in me, otherwise this thing is over. All right, here we go. We got 30 seconds on this. 20 seconds now. I'm assuming 650. I can get a dip down below 40. That would be nice. Stop in the 20s, 200 shares. Potential move here to that high at 775 pre-market high. We'll take it up under 50. Dip under 50. It's like so annoying, bro. It's like no dip, just goes. Now what? No real dip, stops me out, ends up going, goes into a hold. Don't get a good setup. It's all right. All right, 15 seconds here. I want to see a massive dip to 7. If I don't see a massive dip to 7, probably won't take it. That's the plan. So 750 open. Brother, it's like unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. You're not a. I'm not a. Yeah, there's no way I'm trading this. I get stopped out here, and then it's just like it goes, right? Please hold there with small volume. We'll see how it opens. Oh, I fold here. Opening at 6, 587, 776. Bro. There's a chance of me to get in on the 80s, but it's right at the hold down. Nah, probably not. Looking down. LASE, you son of a gun. LASE, 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 LASE. 384, 66, 49. So we made a good move. Now what? 4. Oh yeah, higher float too. Higher float, higher float, higher float. Makes sense. Wait, is this easy to borrow? Oh yes, it is. Shoot. Yeah. I'll take that. Easy to borrow. Oh, this resumed. Okay, shoot. Not prepared for it, but halting down, of course. As it should. With some 680s, I might take the bounce. We'll take the bounce for sure. You're gonna assume 650. Stop at 620. I don't think it'll resume here. Might need some more time, 10 minutes. Yep. I'm gonna take this LASE at $4 dip. I'll take it. Give me that $4 dip. You'll $4 dip, sadly. All right. Is this we're gonna resume here? 74 is gonna resume flat. 75. Eesh, that's a bit low. Although I could have taken it. All right, that was good. That was good. I definitely missed that. That was good. A bit low, but that worked. Ah, okay. I definitely missed that. That was good. That was good. I'm sure we'll get a dip here. Might just stay here at 10. 10's holding well. Okay. Oh, seller there. Seller popped up. We may see 80s. Shoot. Just a second. Just missed it. Dang it. I thought we may see 80s, but I saw low 90s. We may see 80s here. Or retest that low of the previous, which is 90s. Previous candle low is 90, so I might take that. Just a little bit late on that. Their buyers showing up here 95, 94, 93. I'll get in here 94. Stop is almost break even, so I want to get in under 80s if I see it. Not taking too long, but nice. Nice. Come on. There's a buyer at 94, so getting in there. Very good. Come on, brother. Come on. Come on. Shoot. Got me out there. 92. Dang. Dang it. Got me out there. I think 90. I think under 90 there might be a bit some buyers under 90. So hopefully we get to see that too. Nope. Get me out. Oh, shoot. Did I press that by mistake? No. So I guess stopped out by 2 cents. I was thinking it was going to come down under 80s. So I wanted to grab it. That's okay. That's okay. All right. We'll get the next one. I'll get the next one. I'll get the next one. Come on. Give me a red candle. Come back down. Oh, SDOT. Yeah, looks like it resumed. Yeah. Nothing interesting. I've been watching this move I didn't watch. Um, Too busy trading something else, but or just watching something else. But now 15 seconds here. Ooh, we're assuming much lower. 60s. I'm gonna take a dip. So 20s. Let's see where the hold down is. So hopefully we get a dip to 20s. We'll see. 7. If you break 7, I need to get out. Yeah, I broke 7. Dang, brother. I took that dip at 7. I wanted to get in 80s, but no. 7 and down 84 bucks. Okay. Looks like it's gonna be a red day. This could actually work if we get a dip down here, 90s, under 90s. You might see something interesting here. Oh, wow, 84. Didn't press it yet. 89. Oh, I was looking somewhere else and I saw this thing at 84. Didn't want to commit yet at 84 because I thought, hey, I, dang it. 89 again. 88. Seller 93. Hmm. Hard to say what to do here. 84 though. Almost got in there. This might be a small red day. Keep it small, you know. But tough action today. Oh, looks like it's gonna come down a little more. Below that area is view up is 69. The low of my gap is gonna be 73. So I might get something down here under 85. Hmm. Interesting. tricky action. Back to 88. Might take 10 cents on this, honestly, because 73 is a stop down there on the 5-minute gap. '84 held. Volume is still stronger on the red candles. Five-minute looks decent. You know, 5 minutes still looks pretty decent. All right, here we go. 25. VWAP is 620. Immediately 650s. It's all right. Not sure what to do there. I mean, I could have pressed the 620s, but the way it's behaving, I haven't made a single dollar on it. I lost every trade. I think I lost here. I lost here, the bigger one, the biggest one. Yeah, whatever. All right, this might be a strong dip, 393. Looking for a strong dip here. Volume should shift, but I wanted to give a nice little pullback. Nice little pullback under 4. This thing is back at 7. Here we go. Pullback under 4. WCT. 393 there. WCT. That's not right. WCT. There we go. It's holding there. I'll get in here, 97. if you want to get me in. Okay, you got me in there. 98. 99. Seller at 4. No, I'm gonna take it out. Not as bouncy as I would like. Could still be good though. You know, I wanted it to bounce right away. But that thing needed to bounce quickly. I guess they didn't do that. Alright, looks like I might be. This was the best move, and I was not able to capitalize. FO. Low volume, bro. Low, super low volume. Alright, here we go. We got some momentum here. 239 is that low. Basically 240. You're able to fold big seller there. You gotta hold. I want to see this move to 3 pre-market high. 50. I'll take it 47. 54, nice. I'm in at 50. I try to get in 47, 60. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 60, 61. Nice. I'll take it up here. Take it out right there. Boom. Okay, good. So got nice move there. Okay, up to a fold. All right. So taking the profit as I see it. Good move there. That's the action I want to see. False hold. Weak. No. Strong. Good. Oh, took it out 65 and 70. I was going to add 60, but you know, I didn't want to. I wanted to get back to break even first, and then we're gonna go for it. We're gonna jump for it. So we'll see. Here we go. 282 dip needs to hold 64. Hopefully dip under 60, under 80, and then stop at 64. 40s. My goodness. Okay, not much. Wow, that's foul, bro. Only got me filled. How many shares? 76 shares up there. Dang it, brother. Should have taken, honestly, I should have taken a market order out. Okay. Yeah, I'm not playing these hold ups. Not good enough. WCT. Had to hold. I had to hold to that. Had to hold on it. Watch, bro. That was such a great winner too. In at 50 out of 3. Watch. Okay, missing out on some good opportunities. This thing is gonna go. This thing might actually go here. Back over 70. If you get back over 70, yeah, there you go. Why am I getting out? Okay, I'm too scalpy. I'm too scalpy right now. Need to relax. Relax, brother. Relax. Relax. Need to relax my nerves. Too scalpy here. So I could be in here from 85. So I need to relax my nerves. Get back on the winning column. Too scalpy at the moment. So 82, would like it to hold 82, so we'll see. 845 is a hold up. So maybe there's a dip under 8 after this. Whoa. There's your dip under 8. Now 80, 60, yeah. After a false hold, you know, that's a clear short signal there. Oh, I got a little too nervous there, but you know, we're getting back to green. We're taking the necessary steps. We're gonna do it. So full confidence here. 770. This might do a full return, full U-turn. Needs to get over 770s. Good 45 seconds on this, so SELX. Oh, all right. 42, resuming flat. Will I see a dip? I might take a dip at 3 because it's resuming flat, so there might be a dip and a rip here. Let's take a look. 7 seconds, 5. 313, big seller. Big seller 13. Hold down. 13 again. 3. I'll take it here now. Keeps bouncing. I'm in at 12. WCT. 18, 20, 30. Man, I didn't get 30, did I? I got 21 actually. So good dip there. I mean, this is fast moving, so I gotta get out quickly here. So I'm not waiting around. Bit of a scalp there, but slow down. It's okay. So there's a gap here, so I might take this gap a little lower, 90s. Hold down is 55. Could work. It's hard to tell whether it's going to work or not.
GLWG.
45. WCT.
SNDU. WCT. SNXX. SNDK. RDP now.
WCT. Hmm.
WCT. MSAI. RDP now.
WCT. This thing might come down to a hold. Better be careful. Just as fast as it went up, it could come down. There's a 5-minute gap here now. So maybe. Okay, here we go, 77. Top is going to be 77. So I want to get something here.
BJDs.
You're generous to give me an entry.
BNRG. SDOT.
A lot of volume there, so it's
SLY.
pretty volatile. I'll get in here. 66, 71. I mean at 81. No, I don't like it. Don't like it. I'm getting out. Okay. I like that gap and go, but get out 66. No, not good. Shoot. All right.
TGEN.
82. Okay. That gave a 10-cent. Okay, that worked. So 84, I was thinking about it. I was thinking about it. Didn't pull the trigger on it. Right, so this stock is a freaking joke. So up there now. What are you gonna do? You're gonna squeeze short sellers.
NY. FSLY.
BDS.
So I want to see a dip. 792 is my stop. I want to see a dip. 710.
EOET.
Brother. 792, yeah. Something closer to 8. It is holding quite well, I must say.
SDOT.
30 seconds.
SDOT.
Here we go.
SDOT.
Topping tails, 2 topping wicks. 2 topping wicks at the top. What's he gonna be? Jeez, brother. That's crazy. They're back over 7.
WCT.
Dude. That's tough. That's tough. Okay, you're actually holding here. This thing ended up holding. This is a 5-minute gap, so it held. Reclaim that. Good, interesting. You could still reclaim here 90s. That would be wild. All right, let's do it. 803. 20, 30, 40. Boom. Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Finally, got a good trade in this garbage. Garbage. So that setup right here was, there was a small gap here. It looked pretty strong above 8, so it was looking something closer to 8, right? It didn't give it to me. It didn't really give it to me. It formed the gap. It was holding the gap. Then it gave this massive flush. So I stopped looking at it. I looked over here. to see how this is moving. I look back and I notice how this is back over 8. So algos are triggered
SLY.
right under 8, this area. And if this thing wants to keep holding 8, under 8, back over 8, right? Like 90s, back over 8, 90s, back over 8.
SDOT.
I'm getting in there. I got in there at what
That's
803, right? What the stop is like 90s, you know, 90s, low 90s. If it wants to keep failing, it'll fail fast, but I have marked orders. I'm gonna get out quickly. Anyway,
WCT.
waited for that. Almost added in the 20s, 30s, but just took it all the way up. Finally having a decent day, much more decent day now.
ANY.
Regaining confidence.
BNRG. FSLY.
SDOT.
ANY. AUL. JLHL may resume in less than a minute.
ANY. WP. SDOT.
Oh, dip under 9, 88. That was good. But not strong enough, I guess, to keep going. 9 keeps holding 88. Hold on, this 822.
STA.
Is it actually though? Is it actually? I don't think this is gonna hold down. If it doesn't hold down, I'm buying this. I'm buying this. I'm in at 37, 58, 60. Take 100 out.
STA.
Letting the rest run. Let's see.
JLHL holds it to the upside.
Very risky trade. I'm out. I'm out. That was wild. Okay. That level of volatility is scary, brother.
AUTS.
Ah, dang it. Got the last thing out. The last piece at 46. Almost got it out in the 70s. False hold setup. False hold setup. False hold setup at the low of this gap, basically. So we had this gap right there. Right? 39. That entry, my entry was 37.
SDOT halted there.
I guess the hold down was like in the 20s, but close enough.
SLY.
WCT. MSAI.
All right, this should have failed here.
MSAI.
This should have failed here. It needs to fail to 82. Might get in here with small size. Go small size. If it's gonna fail 82, nice. Doesn't fail 82. Nice, 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 nice.
SLY.
Add in here 90s. Nice, beautiful. 92.
MSAI.
Top is break even 89. I need this to go now. Hopefully all goes turn on here. Come on. There you go. 95.
EBS.
algos to go here. Should have failed that gap. Should have failed that gap for me. Add it right there at 91, 95.
MSAI.
It's SSR. Come on, brother. Let's go. Squeeze these people out of the way. All right, I'm gonna get out. It doesn't do it. Quick little trade there. I was looking for that to get over 3 quickly because it should have failed there. And yeah, it came back down. Well, that's a good read on my end. Oh, back over 3 now. Okay. All right. I got shaken out, it seems. I got shaken out. I got shaken out. I add it because
WCT.
I get a feeling when this thing should have failed and it didn't. I was hoping to see this thing over 3. That would have been very nice. We need to size up, brother. We need to size up.
JLHL magazine in less than a minute.
No, failed 3. So this now is coming down. If it supports 82, that would be pretty crazy. Big seller, no. Yeah, it's gonna fail now. Rejected 3. That was confirmation. Back over 82 though. 5-minute gap still alive. Back over 82. Back over 80. Back over 80. One minute. Depends here what's gonna do. Back over 80. WCT. No. All right, we're gonna call it here. Very nice day. Good comeback. Green to red to green to almost flat and then to massive green. Very good. Let's look at some of the trades we took today. Let's use this awesome feature here. So first trade of the day, actually, let's start with LASE. So LASE at the open, nothing, bro. Almost getting caught. Basically, stop was 60. So basically, I got a good fill on this because it went lower. So out 61. So get out of there. Not working. Tried it here on this next gap and go. Also didn't work. So 2 trades right there for 100 shares. Nothing. Tried it right here on the dip. 94. Bought 94. But it felt really slow. I didn't feel confident on it. No, actually, was this the one? Oh no, this was such a great one. Yeah, so here I was looking for a bounce and the bounce didn't actually come at 94. I got out 92 thinking it will come lower. It says here went down as 88, but I didn't see 88. No, I didn't see 88. That's weird. I didn't see 88. Maybe it went down to 80. No, I didn't see 88. Anyway, stop break even, thinking I'm gonna grab it a little lower. Didn't work. Bought it here on the gap and go, but it was super slow. This is the one that was slow. So I just got out break even because I didn't want to be part of it. Felt really slow. SELX. SELX. We got one at the open here. Boom. On this gap, immediately out. It didn't work. Gap and go. Didn't work. Moving on. Finally got a good trade here. Added here just 400 shares. I was up very nicely here to 58, in at 53, didn't take it out 58, bought here 52 on the gap, thinking we'll get a good bounce. Out there 56, rejected, held again, and went higher. Did I trade it again? Yeah, traded again for a gap and go flat. Maybe I could avoid that. It's all right. Traded again on the dip, but got out pretty flat there. This is pretty scary because I actually sized up on this, thinking it was looking very strong and it might give a good bounce. And I got nervous on this. So I'm in 12K, 1200, 1200 again. So added, thinking it was going to be a good bounce. Then I get out only 161 shares at 57. So not great. I wanted to sell everything. So now I'm stuck with a bunch of shares. Oh, actually no. What did I do? Oh, I think I only sold 100 up here. Yep. So I only got to sell 100, and I'm thinking, okay, I only sold 100. This thing might actually come down and flush. So I immediately cut it to 57. So partial fills pre-market, it's not a good thing to deal with. So I might need to fix that. MSAI, one trade right here on the dip, thinking we'll get a good bounce. Oh, 850. Nope. SDOT at the open, right? So this would send me for a ride. So this one, I get caught, right? I get shaken out. Miss the move. Don't trade this at all. Trade this right here. Bought the dip. Didn't even I should have caught this right here. This is such a good dip. Was not watching it. Buy it right here, 710 on the dip and rip. Failed out 680. So right there, I'm down $100. I traded again here, going for the dip and rip, but I get out because oh yeah, I think I got too nervous here. I got too nervous on this trade, and I immediately got out. So I was like, okay, I need to calm my nerves. I need to trade better. So I started noticing how this level was picking up again. So picked up some volume again, looking for a gap and go in at 81, out 66. Okay, not gonna fail, not gonna work, sorry. Then I noticed, okay, this thing failed here, but it's back up. So I'm gonna get in here. So I looked at this, try to get in. You should see the recording again, I go over it, but try to get in, didn't find an entry. Anyway, I see this rejection and I'm looking at it. I was like, okay, rejection is not actually failing, it's recovering 8. So bought there at 8 and immediately got that move to 887. Good trade. So that was a gap reclaim there. And then we got another trade right here off the fault. False halt at 822, I think. Out 66 and 46. So very nice off the false halt. So we got that. So we went from being down like 120, I think, to being up 80. Nice. BNRG pre-market. So got this dip right here. Sold 72, added 83, sold 92 and 96. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. I like it. I like it. Very nice. Very, very nice. Bought that dip. We got the explosive move to 92 and 96. Very good. WCT. This was the stock that it was not on my watch list. There was a lot of there was a big red gap here, which was holding it down, but it's an SSR stock, so I immediately started squeezing. So bought it right. I looked at it here, didn't I thought, okay, it failed. No, it's not gonna do anything. But came back around, almost bought it in the 40s, but finally got in here in the 50s on the dip here. Went up here to 64, dip down to 47, got in 50, 51 basically. Out right there, 65 and 70 was I was almost wanting to add at 60s, but I said no, let me actually take profit 65.70, and I think that was the right decision. Because I was red. I think I was red at this point. So this one put me back to green, or put me back to flat, I think. So boom, halted, opened. Oh, this is such a freaking frustrating thing, man. I get too nervous. So in at 51, out 66. I put an order on the ask at 66, and I only get filled 76 shares. Ah, man. Hold. Need to hold. I need to hold this, brother. So sold 66, retest my entry here, 51, and I sell it. Ah, so frustrating, bro. And then it gets back up here to 70. Just watch it go to just parabolic to 340. Ah, it's frustrating. Next, we get a nice dip here at 312, out to 321. Why did I get out on this? Why didn't I keep holding? I don't know. I don't know why I didn't keep holding. Interesting. Okay. Next, 286, 292, selling 294. Oh yeah. I thought, oh man, if this is not gonna fail, if this is gonna go right now. So buying right here, 86, but adding right here, 91, looking for the explosive move through 3. But no. Selling 94, it was stalling, so sold. Good dip here too. This was such a great dip. Could have added on this. Good dip on that too. All right. Anyway, that's the day today. So 243 green to red, flat to green to almost flat to green. The month is looking so much better. Having a good month. Trading from a better headspace. So reviewing and staying calm, it's paying off. So the work is paying off this month. The volume is there, and I think the market it's pretty warm, it's pretty hot. Anyway, come over to Mr. Profit, create your account. Free trading analysis tool right here. So select your broker, add a file, and use free analysis. 100% free, no sign up required. Your file is never stored, and you get instant result. This is absolutely free tool. Check out all our features. So charts, journal, performance, and so on. Join us for $5 a month, 50 a year. Very good pricing for beginner traders and advanced traders who just want to have a calendar and your basic stats to know where you're going. The best feature, I'm telling you, the best feature is this charts. Know exactly where you get in and you get out. Beautiful. Anyway, join me on Discord, join our chat room. Let's make some call outs straight together. See you tomorrow.
WCT.
Bye bye.